Hey, this is James Glass, and I'm here working on our tiny house, and I'm going to show you the unboxing of my awesome water heater made by Rheem. This is the spooky house the boys are working on, and this is the water heater. So, space is premium when you're living in about 1,000 square feet and with three growing boys, and so I have a very small mechanical closet that's about 14 inches deep, and the mechanical closet's going to have all the shut off for the house for the main water, um, the backflow preventer. It's going to have the water heater in it, and it's also going to be the closet that has all the cleaning supplies, the mop bucket, all the brooms and all that stuff. So the closet itself is approximately 14 by 26, and so that tiny little closet's going to have a lot going on in there. And here's the water heater. So it arrived last week, and I'm getting ready to pull the wires and install the disconnects and everything. And I just wanted to show everybody how amazingly simple these on-demand electric water heaters are. I don't have gas where I'm at, so a gas on demand wasn't an option. Electric was my only choice. And I definitely didn't want to have a big 40-gallon, 50-gallon tank of water. So here's the deal. Um, Water comes in the inlet here and runs through, zigzags through this pipe. The heaters are located here, here, and here. It's 100 amps max, and depending upon what temperature I set, just a simple dial control. Power comes in here. There's three 8-2 wires that run off 40 amp breakers. There'll be service disconnects below this. And that's it. I mean, it is really very simple. Hot water comes out here. I'm going to be installing some cleaning service valve, shut-off valves down here. They're really cool. They allow me to isolate the water heater from the rest of the supply and run vinegar through. It's recommended that vinegar be run through once a year or so to descale it. And yeah, that's it. I mean, this thing is 3.5 inches deep. Um, Roughly 16 by 16, something like that. It's very small and it's very simple. Um, yeah, it's so cool. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to installing this thing this week. I'll shoot another video with the closet finished and the water heater installed to show everybody how little space this takes up. Thanks for watching.